Well, November is a month dedicated to children. Sandesha joined the other organizations to celebrate Children's Day, but in a special way. As a part of Kalotsava 2007, Sandesha organized fancy dress, painting and singing competitions at its premises on Wednesday, November 14th. Wednesday, November 14th was a special day for the children with special needs. This Children's Day, there was a smile on their faces as they competed with each other in singing, fancy dress and painting competitions.
Him now his hand.
The occasion was the state level's Children's Festival of Art and Communication Skills, Kalotsava 2007, organized by Sandesha Pratistana. Special children from different special schools from different parts of the state exhibited their hidden talent. The physically and mentally disabled children who made it to the event proved that disability is not a curse. In fact, it is a challenge for them to lead a normal life. It was fun for these physically and mentally challenged children as they gave their best to win a prize. Mentally and physically retarded children thronged Sandesha Pratistana premises in large numbers. These innocent children were assisted by their teachers and parents to paint their faces and wear a new garb. On the whole, it turned out to be a memorable Children's Day for these children to whom disability is a challenge. Sandesha organized the event to spot and promote the talent among the special children. Kalotsava 2007, inaugurated on Monday, November 12th, will conclude on Saturday, November 17th. It was celebration time at Kala Sangama 2007 as people from all walks of life gathered at Geetanjali Auditorium to take part in a mad ad and a fancy dress competition on Tuesday, November 13th. Mangalore Musical and Cultural Association has been organizing events like Kala Sangam every year since 1985. It draws scores of people from all walks of life. This is the 23rd year of Kala Sangam 2007, being held from November 10th to 24 at Geetanjali Auditorium near Bendur Well. On the fourth day, Tuesday, November 13th, fancy dress and mad ad competitions were held in which bankers, employees of all the other sectors, professionals, housewives, senior citizens actively participated along with the school children. In every human, there is a child within, and it was proved true at Geetanjali when elders spared few hours of their busy schedule and participated in the fancy dress competition. Among them, there was Ganapati, aged 90, a resident from Bajodi who enacted Gandhiji. He was the senior most in age to participate in Kala Sangam 2007. To this non-octogenarian, Gandhiji's principles still hold good even in the 21st century, and non-violence has to be the mantra of the hour. This made him to participate with this theme in mind. Really, there is a child in every man, and Mangalore Musical and Cultural Association provided a stage for them to prove it. Well, it is a time for us to take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs, so don't miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome back once again. Let us go to the world of music. We have a song from the 70th Monthly Theatre held at Kalangan. song from the Minglorian Day held at Abu Dhabi.
भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत मेळा तर तुझो सांगात नेकेत्रा हाडतलो भुंयतळा अर्पितलो तुझ्या पायांतळा तुझ्या भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत मेळा तर तुझो सांगात नेकेत्रा हाडतलो भुंयतळा अर्पितलो तुझ्या पायांतळा तुझ्या भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत जायती आशार पाशार जाली तरी मन म्हजें भुलना सोबायेर तुज्या दिसगाली दोळे दांपूंक हांव सकलो ना जायती आशार पाशार जाली तरी मन म्हजें भुलना सोबायेर तुझ्या दिसगाली दोळे दांपूंक हांव सकलो ना म्हज्या दोळ्या मुखार रावशी सदा दीस मुजेर लायशी चंद्राक सवाल हांव घालतलो सोबाय तुजी हांव वर्णितलो रावशी सदा दीस मुजेर लायशी चंद्राक सवाल हांव घालतलो सोबाय तुजी हांव वर्णितलो तुज्या भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत हांव तुका लागून तुज्या पावड्या सो आसरो मागून पंगड घाल तूं आरावन म्हाका तुज्या त्या उक्त्या गोपान एक सुरो हांव तुका लागून तुज्या पावड्या सो आसरो मागून पंगड घाल तूं आरावन म्हाका तुज्या त्या उक्त्या गोपान तुज्या भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत मेळा तर तुजो सांगात नेकेत्रा हाडतलो भुंयतळा अर्पितलो तुज्या पायांतळा तुज्या भोगणारी चिंता सदा नीत मेळा तर तुजो सांगात नेकेत्रा हाडतलो भुंयतळा अर्पितलो तुज्या पायांतळा सदा नीत.
I know you all enjoyed that wonderful song. Well, now it's time for me to say goodbye to you all. Next time when we meet again, we will bring you some more news and entertainment programs. So take care. Bye.